The Bee Ranger.
Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the Bee Ranger electric bike.
Here's a look at how the bike comes in when it's delivered. You can see that it's packaged well with a lot of foam and plastic protecting it. Assembly is required and the user guide walks you through the process. Inside, it comes with a charger, user guide, tools, and pedals.
So here's the bike fully assembled. The assembly process was pretty straightforward. Basically, you have to attach the handlebars, tighten down the display mount, attach the front light, the fender, and then attach the front wheel. You have to attach the seat and then attach the pedals.
Going over some specs, this comes in 9 color options. This is the white version. It has an aluminum alloy frame, 1000 watt rear hub motor, 1300 watt peak power with 110 Newton meters of torque, 48 volt 25 amp hour lithium battery, 60 to 85 mile range, 28 mile per hour top speed, 20 by 4 inch all-terrain fat tires, 5 pedal assist level and a twist throttle, Shimano 7-speed, colored LCD display, hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear lights and fenders, also a rear rack. It weighs in at 72 pounds, max load of 400 pounds. A walkthrough around the bike, you'll see that the front has a front light, front fender, front suspension, 20 by 4 inch tires, and hydraulic disc brakes. Towards the middle and the back, you have the battery keyhole, rear suspension, kickstand, hydraulic disc brakes, rear fender, rear light, and rear rack. On the other side, you can see the 1000 watt rear motor and 7-speed cassette. The handlebar area, you have the brake levers, controls, LCD display, gear shifter, and twist throttle.
So to power up the bike, you have the controls on the left side here. So you just want to press the M button for a few seconds. And then you can see the display powering up. Nice bright colored display. Pressing the up arrow will cycle through the pedal assist 1 through 5, and pressing the down arrow will cycle it down. You also have the mode button again. If you press it, you'll cycle through the odometer, trip, the voltage, and the time. On the left side, you also have the controls for the turn signals. So you have your left and your right, and you have the electronic horn. So I'll turn on the left signal, and if you hold down the up arrow as well for a few seconds, that will activate the front light. So you have the front light, and then you can also see the rear light with the left turn signal activated. Holding down the down arrow for a few seconds will activate the walk assist feature.
Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts.
Alright, now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. I'm going to take it down this trail. It has some gravel and it's pretty bumpy. The bike does have the front suspensions along with the rear and the fat tires, so I have no doubt it's going to do very well. Alright, here we go, rough terrain test. This also has the lockout feature in the front. Currently I have that off, so it should go to work. So far so good. Absorbing the bumps very well here. Into the gravel. Now on to the speed test. The bike does have the 5 pedal assist levels along with the twist throttle. I'm going to start off with the pedal assist, go through each level and see how fast that goes. And then after that, we'll just do the twist throttle. All right, here we go, pedal assist 1. All right, we're at 5 miles per hour on pedal assist 1. Moving to pedal assist 2. You can feel the pickup here. We're at 12 miles per hour. On to 3. About 19. Pedal says 4. 22, 23, and pedal says 5. About, looks like we hit 29 miles per hour on pedal says 5. So with the pedal assist, we reached 29.5 miles per hour. Now we'll just use a twist throttle and let's see how fast it can go. All right, here we go, twist throttle only. All right, we're up to 20 miles per hour. Plenty of power here. Accelerates very quick. 26. 29. So we're 28.5, we hit 29. So it looks like we're topping off at 31, hit 31 miles per hour.
Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference.
All right, now on to the uphill test. We saw that with the speed test, we reached about 31 miles per hour with the twist throttle. I'm gonna take it up this hill. Let's see if we lose any speed or if we maintain the speed, and I'll just use a twist throttle. Then we'll do the downhill test. All right, here we go, uphill test. Very smooth acceleration, plenty of power with the 1,000 watt motor here. All right, we're gonna begin the climb at about, let's see here, 28 miles per hour. Just losing a little bit of speed, we're down to about 26, but it's powering through here. A little bit of a downhill into the turn. I'm just gonna let it glide here. So with the uphill test, it managed to do it with no problems, plenty of power. We began to climb at 28 miles per hour and just lost a little bit of speed down to about 26.5 or so, but maintained that throughout and it powered through. Now let's go on to the downhill test. Let's see how it handles. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna use a twist throttle again, downhill test. All right, I'm gonna let it glide into the turn here. We're about 23 miles per hour, very stable. No rattles, no vibrations, steering is solid here. All right, 29 miles per hour. In the downhill test.
Here are my thoughts on the bike. This was very fun to ride and probably ranks up there with one of my favorite e-bikes. A good size and plenty of power. The assembly process was straightforward and the user manual walks you through it. I didn't run into any issues. The paint is a gloss white, and as mentioned, there's 9 color options to choose from. There were no imperfections during the shipping process. I like that it comes with the lights, rack, and fenders. The bike feels solid, and the small step-through frame makes it very easy to get on and off. The cables are well organized and ran through the frame. The saddle is soft and comfortable. I had no issues during longer rides. The handlebars are a good length and you can adjust the stem to multiple angles. It handled the rough surfaces with no issues. The front and rear suspensions along with the fat tires absorbed a lot of the bumps. The 1000 watt motor, 1300 watt peak, was strong and plenty of torque, especially for the small frame. Definitely not underpowered, which makes it a lot of fun. It was able to handle the inclines with minimal speed loss and maintained about 26 miles per hour. With pedal assist, I reached 29 miles per hour and twist throttle 31 miles per hour. This has an advertised max speed of 28 miles per hour and a range of up to 80 miles. But that will depend on the throttle usage, pedal assist level, your weight, and environment that you're in. The hydraulic brakes were strong and had good stopping power. They grabbed on quick, as you saw in my testing. The color display is large and intuitive, easy to navigate and read. Overall, I feel the bike performed, and as I said earlier, very fun to ride with plenty of power for its size. It ranks up there with one of my favorites. It can also handle various terrains with no issue. So that is my review of the Bee Ranger electric bike. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.